Guess what, guys? Let's go! Frank the Fraggle Inspector is coming over today, and he's here to see how nice and friendly a Fraggle really is. We're nice and friendly, Gubbo. Yeah, we really are. Yeah, I think we are. Oh, here he comes now. Hey, I just wanted to know, how nice really are you, Fraggles? We're really nice. Yeah, we are really friendly. Yeah, I think we are. Yeah. Alright. You don't argue or anything? Us? No. That's the way we can dance your cares away and save your words for another day. Yeah, you convinced me. And now, if I see I mean any, fighting, yelling, or arguing, I am out of here. Okay. See you in the morning. Good night. Good night. Nice and peaceful. But I thought you wanted to play tug of tails. No, I hate tug of tails. How dare you? How dare you? Ow. Can we help you? You can help me by trying to be nice to one another. Sorry, Frank. Sorry. I'm gonna have a rest. And no more arguing, please. Alright. Thank you. That's the last time, Fraggles. Right. They gotta realize. Huh? What's going on over there? But I didn't get away for that much water. Yes, you did. You filled it most of it out of a gallon. No, I did. Yes, you did. Did not. Did you? Did not. Did you? Oh. Ah. Don't scare us like that. Well, we look like you should have stopped fighting. Sorry. That's the last time they argue. If they argue one more time, I'm leaving this place. You gotta help me. What is it now? Mommy lost one of my pebbles. What? I didn't. You're the one who dropped it. I am I got news for you. I'm gonna... Guys, stop arguing. What? Stop arguing. I'm supposed to be the Fraggle Inspector around here. Oh, yeah. You can't even tell if a Fraggle is blue or green. Oh, yeah? Here we go again.